Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the valve timing with the marks on a 1.6 liter Hyundai Kia engine. Okay, this happens to be a Kia Soul, but this engine is found in a lot of models on the Hyundai and Kias, the Accents, and this is not the 2.0, similar. This is the 1.6. All right, so first things, you're going to find the timing marks. This engine has to be at top dead center. What that means is the piston has to be on the compression stroke on top dead center. Number one. Number one is always near the timing chain. So this is number one. All right? So then you have to look for the marks. There's indentations over here. I highlighted them. One right there and one right there. Now, there's colored links too. See, you see the different color link? One, and that different color link, that's two. And also, to know that you're on top dead center, is the valves are closed on the number one cylinder. See these? The lobes are pointing up, and over here they're pointing this way. They're up. That means the valves are closed. That's compression stroke. That's how another way you can tell that you're not on bottom dead center. All right? So now, when you take the chain off, you line up the marks. If you don't take the, if you're not doing if you just want to check the timing, all right, the color links are not going to be there. So you're going to have to count the links right in between in relation with the bottom. So what that means is, this is top dead center. You would have to mark it wherever you took the chain off. Okay, now over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically 9 links in between these two cams with them facing up like that. And then there's another mark on the bottom. We're going to go down there and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And over here, we're on the bottom now. And you see the mark right there. With the mark, there's another color link. You see that different color link? This one. All right. Don't disregard the one that's on the that other mark I made. I just did that for reference. And that's how it is, and that's how you know you're at top dead center. And the timing, the valve timing is correct on this engine. It's basically a little simple design. You really can't mess it up. All right, guys. Any questions? Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.